up, guys? So today is the day that I told you guys I'm gonna be trading my Rays for the RPF ones, and I can't wait. Jerry should be coming down from the high desert. If you guys don't know, that's a little bit a ways away from the Inland Empire. So he should be coming soon. Me and my girlfriend just got back from the gym right now, and now we're about to eat some eggs. Shout out to her for making me some delicious eggs. Usually I'm the cook, but today she took over because I was taking a shit for the second time today. But yeah, so I'm gonna eat, and then we're gonna get today started. As soon as Jerry comes, we're gonna meet him at a tire shop, and we're gonna dismount some tires that I borrowed last night from my good homie Daniel. They're not the size that I want. I was telling you guys that I was trying to get some new tires this weekend, but that didn't work out because I had them on hold for too long and they ended up selling. So my homie let me borrow the tires, and yeah, so we're gonna dismount my Rays from the tires that they're on, and he's probably gonna take the Rays, or yeah, he has to take the Rays on his tires, and then I'm gonna use my homie's tires for the RPF ones for now until next week. I'll probably hit up a tire shop or something. But yeah, so that's the plan for today. I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna get ready, and then as soon as Jerry hits me up, we're gonna head out, and I'll continue the vlog then. Anyway, guys, our cat has been like really curious, and he gets on our chairs and stuff, and he'll even get up here too. Watch. Hopefully he'll do it right now. Oh look, there he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Come on, Paco, get up. Oh well, he was just up there right now, and I wanted to show you guys, but he's not doing it now. High five. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Just bite me. Yeah. High five. Alright guys, last time with the Rays. I'm so excited to have RPF ones again. By the way guys, we're probably going to give her a good freaking bath today because this thing is grimy. Hasn't been washed in a while. Alright guys, so Jerry's already on his way. He should be here very soon. So yeah, we're going to get going. My girl's going to follow me because she has my tires in the back. Well, Daniel's tires that he's letting me borrow. So yeah, let's go because I have to meet Jerry right now. So let's go. So we just got here to the tire shop that I've been coming to for a while now, and it's about to go down, guys. Shout out to OC Jerry. Let me get my tires from my girlfriend's car. So yesterday my good friend Daniel let me borrow his 215/40/17. This is not the size that I want. So probably on Friday, like I was telling you guys earlier, I'm probably gonna get better tires the size that I want. So for now, this will do for the week. RPF 1 boys again. Yep. Hell yeah. Clean. Guys, that Miata is so clean. Alright guys, they're finally gone. They're out of my possession. Jerry, I hope you love these wheels because I love my RPF ones, but the fitment's straight trash. Oh my god, but buy wheels. Alright guys, so a car just pulled up and it's literally the best thing ever. I'm gonna show it to you guys right here. Oh my god. JDM front end, and then these nice Volk Rays, whatever you want to call them, dude. Fucking sick, bro. And these Recaro seats. I'm pretty sure that's the JDM, I don't know, steering wheel, and then the S2000 cluster, I believe that is, and all these gauges. Fuck me, man. That shit is nice, dude. Jerry's first wheels on, and it looks really good on his car. I like the contrast. Jerry's car now that it's dropped, it freaking looks so good. I'm telling you guys. So really quickly before Jerry takes off, I just want to say big thank you to Jerry for trading me the wheels. Thank you, bro. Make sure you guys follow this guy. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here on the screen. Have a safe good trip. Have a safe trip back, bro. See ya. Alright guys, we're home, and my apartment complex has these weird dips right there, and they have like these weird speed bumps, and guys, like literally I had to like swing the car around every single time because I would not get over it without scraping that. Even though I was swinging it around and trying to curve everything, I was still scraping, guys. By the way, a lot of you guys didn't like the poll I did. A lot of people voted for the Rays 57R CR, and I don't know, guys, I like the RPF ones. It's all up to you guys at the end of the day. At the end of the day, I didn't like my Rays. They look way better on Jerry's car, and Jerry wanted them for his car. So yeah, I'm really glad with the RPF ones, and for now we're just gonna chill until Daniel gets home from a show that he's at. And yeah, so It's gonna be a while till he's home. I don't know, but we're gonna go hang out with him later and install something. Alright guys, so it's time for me to head out. Daniel's on his way home right now. He's by University. If you're familiar with Riverside, Marina Valley area, he's by University. He'll be here literally in 15 minutes-ish. So yeah, it's time to head out and go do some other shit to the car. To Daniel's right now, and look at these gay boys. Look at these gay boys. Look at these gay boys. Hi. Hey, look, that's my cousin, guys. Damn, mobbing deep. 3 black Honda Civics with spoon engines. But guys, so the reason why I came to Daniel's today is because we're gonna be taking out my stock intake, and yes, it looks stupid as fuck. It's not the way it should be. I already had the Skunk 2 relocate the battery loop relocator, so that's why it's like that. And so when I was doing my state ref thing, we didn't want to relocate the battery back to where it's supposed to be. So yeah, I have the stock intake right there, obviously on, and in here I have the Skunk 2 intake. And this, we put this on last night, like really bad. This is not even the way it's supposed to go. We looked like freaking idiots last night. I was trying to look it up and stuff, but I found it, how to put it. Alright guys, so taking off the stock intake is pretty easy. I'm not going to do a step-by-step, but you just remove these clamps right here. You do the MAP sensor, and then when you're doing the whole Skunk 2 intake, you got to relocate the battery, which is given in the Skunk 2 box. So yeah, so just like I said, those 2 clamps and then the MAP sensor, and that's pretty much it. And then you take off this, I don't even know what that's called. But yeah, so everything's really dirty, guys. As you can see, I have not taken care of my car since I got state ref. So yeah, don't get state ref, because then you don't care about your car no more. So it looks a lot better. It looks a lot cleaner. We use some of the Simple Green. That's chemicalized bottle, but Simple Green. And it looks a lot better than what it is. Stop. But yeah, so we're probably going to throw on the intake right now just because I cleaned up what I wanted to clean. Alright guys, so update. That happened. I literally just cleaned my shit. So my intake doesn't have everything that I need. It's back there. I don't know if you guys can see. I just smacked the fuck out of my camera. Well, yeah, I don't have everything that I needed for my intake, so I'm just gonna have to get that and then do it later. So no intake today, so we might do the front lip right now if this fool stops lagging and gets off the phone. But yeah, so we'll see. So literally every install that we tried went wrong with my car. I didn't have everything for the Skunk 2 intake. I didn't have the lip that I was trying to put on was for a sedan, but I've seen it fit for the coupe, so I don't know why the fuck it wouldn't fit. I don't know, probably somebody just modified it when they told me that it was gonna fit or whatever, but whatever. At least I got the RPF ones today. That's the biggest thing that I'm happy about, so fuck it. We're gonna go to Lost Motorsports right now because this fool's gonna buy a buddy club. Well, he bought a buddy club steering wheel, and we're about to put that on right now. I'm gonna show you guys how he scrapes every day getting out of his driveway. Oh damn. Oh my god. Like, about to get soft right now. When muscle cars don't want to race you. QP6. how do you get beat? Well, I am in the car, and yeah, that K-tune ain't doing so great.
I need to get rid of that.
I'm just kidding. Y'all not ready. Shout out to Black Market Window Tinting, hooked me up. That's up, and I got this hat. Ralph checked my other one. Asshole. This is the Buddy Club carbon fiber steering wheel that Daniel's putting on right now. He bought this on Friday and literally got it the same day here at the shop. So if you guys need any parts, hit me up. I can help you out. He literally asked me for it and he got it like within like, I don't know, like 30 minutes or an hour. No, fool, I'm talking about when you bought it though, after we talked about it, you dumbo. But yeah, you got it really quick. Homie, what you bang, dog?
Ain't bad nothing.
Hey, what's up, SA? What's up, dog? Fuck you, Holmes. Fuck you. Alright guys, well we're about to get some buffalo, so I'm gonna leave y'all in here, and if I don't pick up this video, then I guess this is the end. I had a pretty good day overall. I got my RPF ones, my skunk 2 intake. I did not have everything for it. My lip did not fit, so that's a lot of fuck ups in one day. But hey, it wouldn't be a vlog channel, wouldn't be a car channel if that didn't happen. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.